Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just tap to open, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And right now, as can you see, we got our battery temperature, that's 31.7 degrees. Also you can see here the level of your battery, the health, and the Android version, the model of your phone, and more and other information. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe our channel.